Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make incredibly easy and delicious bagels right in your own kitchen. Forget complicated recipes. We are simplifying the process with just a few key items. You will need about 1 cup of thick Greek yogurt and 2 cups of self-rising flour. We will also use a small amount of salt for taste and an egg wash to achieve that beautiful golden crust. This method is perfect for a quick, satisfying breakfast or snack. Let's get started by combining our main ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of self-rising flour and about 1 teaspoon of salt. Then, add 1 cup of thick Greek yogurt. Begin mixing with a spoon until crumbles form, then switch to your hands to bring it all together into a rough dough ball. Transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface and knead it gently for about 1 minute until it becomes smooth and pliable. Now for the fun part, shaping your bagels. First, divide your dough ball into 4 equal portions to ensure uniform bagels. Take each portion and roll it into a rope, approximately 6 inches long. Then, carefully bring the ends of the rope together and pinch them firmly to create that classic bagel shape with a hole in the center. Once shaped, place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Finally, brush each bagel generously with a whisked egg wash. This helps achieve a beautiful golden brown crust. It's time to bake our delicious bagels. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your prepared baking sheet with the bagels into the oven and bake for approximately 25 minutes. You'll know they are ready when they turn a lovely golden brown and are slightly puffed. Once baked, remove them from the oven and let them cool on a wire rack for about 10 minutes. Then slice them open, add your favorite cream cheese or spreads, and enjoy your fresh, homemade Greek yogurt bagels.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.